In front of me is Realme C61 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on gear icon at the top of it. Then select theme and click on the best one for you. I will go with this one. Now it's time to manage key borders thanks to this switcher and hit apply. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. To customize it with an image, go back to the same settings and this time use this plus icon under my themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move and hit next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done. Manage key borders and tap on apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!